These are paintings by one of my favorite artists whose name is Paul Klee. He has really fun and colorful kind of style, and it's playful. It makes me want to do this kind of art too. I love fun shapes, faces, and colors, and Paul Klee was a master at it. Our art today is inspired by his painting of this cat. It's a simple drawing, and we can make one like it too. I like the soft, soothing colors and those bright green eyes. It really makes me imagine why he wanted to make the cat look like this. Well, we're going to make a cat that looks kind of like this, but you might have your own ideas of some things you can put in your painting too. I really hope you enjoy being creative, making a Paul Klee cat. Okay, it's time to get started drawing first. You get to use an instruction sheet that I made to help you go step by step. But watch me first so you can see just how easy it is. Remember, yours doesn't have to look exactly like mine. You should be creative and add your own ideas too. Name on the back. Ready? Let's start with a big U shape. Next is a funny curl. Down, curl, up. Down, curl, up. Easy, no problem. Cat mouth and maybe some really big eyes. And you're on your way.